और ऑपरेशन के बाद बोल सकता था?
हाँ, उस टाइम तो सुनता था, फिर धीरे धीरे
कितनी?
2 उंगली चली जाती थी, 2 से ज़्यादा चली। मैं यूपी मुरादाबाद से हूँ और यहाँ पे मैं आया था अपने ट्रीटमेंट के लिए और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बढ़िया रहा और सर्जरी भी बहुत अच्छी हुई है मेरी। पहले तो मुझे बहुत कम दिक्कत है और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या था आपका?
मेरा जो है मुंह नहीं खुलता था, चबाने में खाने में दिक्कत होती थी और सांस लेने में दिक्कत होती थी। अब जो है मुझे बिल्कुल सही है, अब सांस भी ले सकता हूँ और खाना भी खा सकता हूँ।
Patient, we've done the temporomandibular joint process. As you can see the scar, long incision going down, and this side as well. All these are from his earlier surgeries, which he's had about 8 surgeries or something. Okay, muh khuliye ab. He's able to have a pretty good mouth opening. Again, you can see the sutures and everything inside. His mouth opening before the surgery was this much open. And this is going to improve because there's still a lot of swelling. You already saw the scans. I'm going to show you a little bit of what type of processes we have used on the right side and on the left side. As I said, the designs are different. The screw length, dimensions, everything is different. Okay, that's that. Then, bite karo. So his teeth are joining now. He couldn't join his teeth. We still need some braces, so we're going to get some braces done for him. Bite karo. And you can see now all the way back. तो अभी प्रोसेसेस लगा दिए, जॉइंट को दांतों को 90% 95% कर दिए, लास्ट वो थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे ही होता है, इसीलिए तो आज हो रहा है.
Alright, now patient is in the pre-medication room just before shifting the patient to the OR. So before we shift, I'll show you the pre-operative condition of this patient. These are the scars that you can see from his previous surgeries. He has already undergone 2 surgeries for his temporomandibular joint ankylosis. Thoda aag kijiye. So you can see there's a restriction in the mouth opening as well. Just one finger mouth opening is there. So in this surgery we are going to address his mouth opening as well. We are going to do both the temporomandibular joint reconstruction, also give him a better aesthetics. This jawline, this chin, everything will be produced by this surgery. So we have planned the surgery using the computer software. It's called virtual surgical planning. So all the implants, everything has been computer generated and it's all patient specific. So all the things have been planned for this patient. We are going to approach through the previous scar for his both the joints and also submandibular incision to give him the body as well as the ramus reconstruction for this patient. So this will be done under general anesthesia. Now we'll be shifting the patient to the operation theatre. Thank you.
Hi friends, Namaste. So we have here with us today Dr. Anand, who is a specialist for temporomandibular joint reconstruction with specific, patient-specific implant. So this patient that we just saw now, he's had a similar kind of work. So we've got 2 joints on both the sides. But this guy's already had 2 surgeries and he still has issues with mouth opening and his bite doesn't fit in. So what were the challenges that were there when we designed this patient-specific implant for him?
This particular person, as we saw today, has already undergone multiple procedures. He's undergone 2 surgeries earlier for correction of his mandibular deformity, which not only involves inability to open the mouth, but also in the form of restricted growth. So they have attempted surgeries not only to open the mouth, but also to increase the size of the mandible and make it more normal. as well as restitute his function in the form of biting, chewing, and eating. So, in this case, the biggest challenge was that we are redoing something which somebody has already done, which means the amount of tissue or bone or skin that we are left with is compromised. That is the first thing that is a challenge to us. Not only do we need to undo what somebody has done, but we also have to use only the limited amount of bone and tissue that we need to reconstruct what we want to achieve. So that makes the planning of the implant extremely demanding, because we have to circumvent whatever somebody has done and still aim to achieve whatever we need to achieve in the form of perfection.
So yesterday this case was operated. It was a bilateral TJR case. कैसे हैं अभी आप? ठीक है? Okay. So patient is normal. Today we'll shift the patient to ward.
क्लोज कीजिए. ओके, ओपन कीजिए. क्लोज. गुड. आंख बंद कीजिए. ओपन कीजिए. ऐसे करो. ऐसे इसको ऊपर. नहीं हो रहा है? ओके, फाइन. So it's the second post-op day after we did bilateral temporomandibular joint reconstruction. And we have done BSSO and LEFO1 osteotomy to correct the defect. It's a case of post-ankylosing deformity. So he's doing well. There is no weakness in the facial nerve. He's able to close his eyes and there is no drooping in the corner. So patient is doing well. There is little edema which is present all around. Since I just said it's the second post-op day, so swelling will come down slowly. He is on liquid diet and is able to close his mouth. Open कर सकते हो आप? Open कीजिए. Okay. Close करो थोड़ा. Yes. So patient is doing well. कैसे हो आप? पेन दर्द है? थोड़ा है ना? दोनों. Okay, fine. कम हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे. सेकेंड डे है ना? दांत क्यों इंटरेक्शन? क्योंकि वो इंटरफेयर कर रहा था जब हम ऑक्लूजन प्लान कर रहे थे. सो इंटरफेयर हो रहा था, इसलिए निकालना पड़ा वो दांत. ठीक है, हाँ. उसमें बाद में देखेंगे, कर सकते हैं, रिप्लेसमेंट कर सकते हैं दांत. कैसे हो? So it's a case of a bilateral temporomandibular joint replacement. Today is POD 3. The patient is doing well. The minimal edema present is, but it's reducing now. He is able to close his mouth. तो बंद कीजिए. Okay. रेल बंद कीजिए. ओपन कीजिए. Close. Okay. किसी दर्द काम है?
दर्द तो काम है. यहाँ पे थोड़े भारी भारी सा लग रहा है.
Okay. एक तरफ से उस तरफ. Okay, fine. आंख बंद कीजिए. Okay. ओपन कीजिए. ऐसे के ऊपर करो. ऐसे करो. Okay, fine. Good. The patient is doing well, he is recovering well. So we'll be planning for discharge him on 5th day. He will be taking post-op scan on 5th day and check the joint status.
Teeth are joining now. He couldn't join his teeth. We still need some braces, so we're going to get some braces done for him. उसके बाद जब आप, मैंने बोला नेक्स्ट टाइम जब स्वेलिंग सब कम हो जाएगा, माउथ ओपनिंग बेटर हो जाएगा, दांत हो जाएगा, तो ये स्कार्स रिमूव कर सकते हैं अगर आपको चाहिए तो. ये बस एक दिन का काम है जो फेस में है.